Hasteni Hastefa Indra Senari Dinalu Tangcholo Melago Rudrasagoni Nirmohol Tangai Bereneka Fung Dam Chite Choti Tamchi Jorawo DM Nagesh Kumar B Hastefano Lamshoka Nirmohol Shogikenote Hankor Police Time Motangrok Bohaino Hastefano God of Honor Rikate Hastefa Bohaino Nirmohol Ni Naitotok Taina Bereneka Koktama Tunerong Buskango Hastefa Shaka Bo Hasteo Tebo Berekri Tai Kaham Snamnani Te Nirmohol Naitotok Naimung Berekrino Hasteni Hapang Tebo Kaham Naikol Mung Renani Te Shapsutra Kaitongani Nirmoholno Abo by Bakshano Tuyo Amshuk Kabangma Sitra Mani Kotogi Tongmani Rokno Nornani Yapri Romnani Bagino Hastefa Haste Haponi Taniwo Koika Abni Logi Logi Light Sound Rock Renani Horjoraobo Jung Ferangni Pohor by Pilala Clay Tongani Bagi Nirmohol Kaisan Naitotok Berekri Thai Taibunai Sonani Bagi Te Tang Shalo Hastefa bini kebang jora riwino nirmohol ni thaino bo khafur jagi bere neimani mangfli kasefika chini kok chiprani mangfliwo.
Even if it is a small state, it is having tourism spots, Chabimura and other places, Gomati River boating and like Neer Mahal. And Neer Mahal is having a special status for its such type of mahal in the water. It is not there in entire country except Jaipur. So big scope is there for tourism, and the government has to take even already taking the steps by calling G20 people here, and it has developed. It needs more for even for tourists to attract. I will give my suggestions. The private people, those who can stay here, that will be the better. In other areas also we are thinking, and particularly in northeast, central government also encouraging for tourism. So this is one of the spot where we can improve further. नेस के बारे में तो मेरे को तो अच्छा दिखा है। बाहर का जो घास वगैरह पानी में है उसको क्लीन करने का ज़रूरत है। गवर्नमेंट ऑलरेडी टेकन अ स्टेप, एंड इट शुड बी कंप्लीटेड एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल।